Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.